Before this, I had no idea what storyboard is all about. So after spending some time here in the marketing and brands communication department, I have learned how to create storyboards and develop contents to be published onto social media.
My experience here has really helped me to learn a lot of skills that I've always wanted to learn but really never had the chance to. For example, I would say photography, filming, and also making new and expressive content ideas. Furthermore, working here has really boosted my confidence level and made me realize that I'm capable of more than I thought I was.
I've been working in the marketing and brand communications department since my internship. After completing my diploma, I furthered studies my degree here at Peninsula College and continued working in the department under the JBSB program. I really enjoy working here because we have very supportive seniors and also supervisors, which makes me want to work more here.
Although I have just joined this department for the first month, and I am quite honored that my supervisor believed in me and he gave me a project that is redesign website, and he guided me from the beginning until now, and I think this will help me to build my future career better.
For JBSB students, besides the technical and practical skills that they have gained, like content writing, social media campaign management, I think they also pick up a lot of social skills, emotional skills, how to deal with day-to-day interactions, day-to-day operations, because we work in a team. So here, in a corporate setting, you as a student will get a first-hand experience and feel how it's like to work in a corporate. So it's not all fun, it's not all glam. You have to face the hard knocks, the hardships, where especially in terms of, when you deliver your work, we expect a huge commitment from you all. We expect you all to go above and beyond doing your job well. And also, you have to face the rejections, because we will give you back your work, give you feedback and say, hey, you need to improve. And it can happen 5-10 times, right? So that resilience to adapt to change and to accept rejection, that is the most important points that you can actually take away with you when you work with us in a corporate setting. Because here we are giving you the real life scenario, how you will actually face corporates in future in any job that you face. Same thing when you work with your team members, you will also have tough times, right? So how do you overcome it? So same in a corporate setting, you will have to work together with your team members, with the managers here, and strive together to overcome all these boundaries. So that soft skills is key in a corporate setting. So that's what we are preparing you for the real world.